I've been trying to make this video for you, and I'm quickly reminded of the horrors of virtual learning as dogs have been barking and everything else. So this is the third time. Hopefully we get through it. We're going to ignore anything else that goes on so I don't have to start all over again. I have sent this to Mr. Withers, so you should have the ability to see this slide on Google Classroom. If you have had an issue getting into Google Classroom, I do believe it's because they've changed your passwords, and you should have been able to set that up before starting this video. So all of these are there for you to click on. Mr. Withers does have a copy of these notes for each one of you. And so this used to be a summer assignment, but AP, our College Board, cut out 2 units permanently, which is awesome. So it gives us a little bit more time. I was really hoping to Zoom in with you, but to be honest, I feel horrible. So I'm hoping by Monday that definitely happens. But here's what I want you to do today. Some of these are going to be so easy. Changing into scientific notation, this beginning part is going to be very simple for you. There are instructions at the top of each little section to kind of explain it to you. And so go ahead, try some of them. And what I want you to do is if you get stuck, I want you to star those. Okay, I'm going to show you where there is a complete key available for you to look at, but it's really, really important that you actually understand this process of these few concepts we're going over, because we'll use them all year, and copying my key doesn't really help you anyway. And I know that you guys aren't really those type of students. You are more than welcome to always see a key in my class, but I also want to make sure that you understand whatever you weren't getting and needed to see the key for anyway. So there's 2 parts that are going to trip you up probably. These rearranging equations. Okay, I have worked these step by step for you on the key. I'm also going to upload a video from last year that kind of has references to things happening last year, but it's me working through these. So if you can't get it from the key, you can watch that video. Just know it's from when we were starting virtual learning last year. So the rearranging equations will probably give some of you a little bit of an issue. And then if you will keep scrolling through or flipping through on page, I'm not sure what page it is for you, but it's G when it says nautical miles. Okay, the key is wrong for this one because I did not put the conversion for miles to nautical miles. So 1.16, and this is not letting me write on it. Let me try this. I'm going to open this somewhere else because 1.16 nautical miles is equal to 1 mile. And I'll go over to the screen where I can write in just a second. That might rearranging equations and trig functions. We don't go into trig signs and unit circles and all of that stuff, so don't worry about that. If this is your first time seeing trig, we really stick to the basics. I have all of the how-tos on this page for you, and I've also linked a tutorial video, but it's easy. I'll go through it with you on Monday if you're stuck on it. Now I do want to tell you that there's a correction to the key, and I'm going to go ahead and pause this and pull that up on my other one. Okay, so here is the key that's posted on that slide for you as well. And you will see, let me just double check. Well, here you'll see all of the work step by step for those equations. And then let me see, it was G, wasn't it? Okay, so right here, I'm sorry, it's 1.15 miles equals 1 nautical mile. So you'll see that there. Then I have all of the steps for your trig. And down here on the key, this is incorrect, D. Okay, that's an interesting color. Okay, this one, make sure you make that correction. It should actually be the square root of d squared minus s squared. So the key is at the bottom of this. Today, work through it, see what you can do on your own or with each other. Put stars next to the things that you want me to go through. On Monday, have those ready. You probably won't have gotten through all of it, and I don't expect you to, but on Monday, I'll zoom in and answer any questions that you do have. In the meantime, make sure you send me emails, or if you need anything, please let me know. Hang in there, guys. I hope you had a great first week and that you enjoy your weekend. Bye.